Question: if a plus b plus c by 2 is equal to root a plus root b minus 1 plus root c minus 2, then find a comma b and c. So this is the question. Solution: see, a plus b plus c by 2 is equals to root a plus root b minus 1 plus root c minus 2. So you take out 2 right hand side, then this a plus b plus c is equal to 2 times root a plus 2 times root b minus 1 plus 2 times root c minus 2. Now in next step, this is equals to 2 root a, take out this side, that is a minus 2 root a. Similarly b minus 2 root b minus 1 plus c minus 2 root c minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies here this a can be written as root a whole square minus 2 root a. Here, to make it a perfect square, you add 1 first. Here we added 1, so we need to subtract 1 also. So in second bracket, what I do is I will write this b as, here in square root b minus 1 is there. To generate b minus 1, subtract 1 plus we subtracted 1 b minus 1 minus 2 square root b minus 1. Here we subtracted 1, you add 1 to balance it, plus here c can be, here inside the square root c minus 2 is there, that's why here you subtract 2 minus 2 square root c minus 2. Here plus 1, add 1, because here we added 1 but here we have not subtracted 1, that's why here we subtracted 2 and added 1, because minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, this minus 1, this plus 1, 0. Here we subtracted minus 1, we added 1, therefore this is equals to 0. This implies, now this is root a square minus 2 root a into 1 plus 1 square. This is the first bracket. Second bracket can be written as b minus 1 can be written as square root b minus 1 whole square minus 2 times square root b minus 1 into 1 plus 1 square, plus the c minus 2 can be written as square root c minus 2 whole square minus 2 times square root c minus 2 into 1 plus 1 square is equals to 0. So this implies it's a perfect square, that is this is a square minus 2ab plus b square form is there, that's why root a minus 1 whole square plus, similarly this is also a perfect square, root b minus 1 minus 1 whole square plus, similarly third one is also a perfect square, that is square root c minus 2 minus 1 whole square is equals to 0. So but as we know that if x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0, then x equal to 0, comma y is equals to 0 and z is equals to 0 simultaneously. That is x equal to 0, comma y is equals to 0 and z is equals to 0. So if you use this fact over here, in place of x what is there? Root a minus 1. In place of x, root a minus 1. In place of y, root b minus 1 minus 1. In place of z, root c minus 2 minus 1 is there. Therefore this implies root a minus 1 is equals to 0, comma root b minus 1 minus 1 is equals to 0, comma root c minus 2 minus 1 equal to 0 simultaneously. Then only this is possible. That is, sum of the squares of three numbers is 0, then each term must be 0 simultaneously. That is, root a minus 1 equal to 0, that is root a is equals to 1, comma root b minus 1 is equals to, if you square on both sides, if you take out minus 1 this side, right hand side, root b minus 1 equal to 1. Similarly, root c minus 2 is equals to 1. In next step, we will square on both sides. If we square on both sides, a is equals to 1, b minus 1 is equals to 1 and c minus 2 is equals to 1. This implies a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 2 and c is equals to 3. So these are the ABC values. That is, a is equals to 1 and b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. This is the solution.